close to where I want to camp, but just literally the tip of this mountain right here is covered in snow. And look how deep it is. It's like a good foot deep. Oh, that's like 2 feet deep. So I don't know. Do we send it? I might send it. The snow's starting to get a little bit deeper back here. I really don't want to, as much as I want to get footage of my van going through the snow, I don't think I'll be able to stop because I'll get stuck. I'm already kind of like up on this hill and it's already kind of hard to get rolling. So I'll show y'all me going through it though. We're stuck. Yeah, it just keeps spinning out. Ah, we're so close. All right, so I'm gonna chain up real quick and see if I can get up that way. If not, then we gotta turn around, I guess. Just trying to push this thing to its limits, see what it can do. All right, so I've got a set of chains on each side. We're just gonna go ahead and try to muscle up it. Let's go, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Those chains, dude. Chains and momentum, that made a huge difference. All right, so we got up to our camp spot. We did end up needing some chains, but look at this. We are on top of a hill, tons of snow. Got us a sick little freaking spot here, dude. Yeah, it is beautiful out here. So quiet, peaceful, super freaking windy, which sucks, but it is what it is. Come on, baby. Come on, y'all, come play in the snow. Come on. Good girl. Someone's excited. Someone's excited to be in the snow. Are you excited to be in the snow? Dude, we got some beautiful mountains out that way. This is seriously like the sickest camping spot you could get. And this, so the guys, this van's only 2-wheel drive. Now, it does have brand new Nitro Ridge grapplers. If you carry your momentum in the snow, it actually goes through pretty well. But there was one spot where I had to throw the chains on just in case. I really need to get some different chains because these are almost too small. But hey, they got me up to this beautiful freaking camping spot, guys. The spot couldn't have worked out any better either because every spot over here is kind of like a little bit unlevel. Now, backed up right on that rock and the beast is sitting perfect. Would you look at that? Looking sweet, dude. So I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the van because it's getting freaking cold. I've got my diesel heater going, warming the beast up because it's gonna be chilly tonight. We're probably about 10 miles down this road. We're down a good ways, so we should pretty much be by ourselves. I've only seen one other car or truck. We're definitely the only 2-wheel drive vehicle this far into this trail, so I know Lola Pup's happy. She loves being out in the wilderness. My baby, my baby. So I've got this heater cranking. It's been cranking now for about, I don't know, 20 minutes, just on the lowest heat setting possible. And it's still slowly climbing. Now, where I'm at here in Wyoming, it's 25 degrees out right now, and it's only 4:30. So it's going to be getting a lot colder the later it gets. Well, 59 degrees now. It does a good job maintaining. I'm telling you, this is the only way to camp in comfort when you're up in the mountains like this. I mean, that thing just blows out the hottest freaking heat you could ever think of. I mean, it's, I don't know. I sleep like a baby. So does my baby girl. Since today has been a very long day of driving and trail riding, I don't think I'm going to cook like some super fancy meal tonight. But my sister for Christmas totally hooked me up with a crap ton of chow mein. So we're going to go ahead and boil up some water real quick, make some noodles, and then You can see Lola's already conked out. I'm probably gonna put a movie on and conk out with her. So it's only like 5:30, but it's freaking pitch black out, dude. Look. Dark as frick. Now remember guys, when you're cooking with gas, always pop open a window. You need some airflow. You cannot be having gaseous fumes coming off. So we've got 2 windows popped open. Should be good. We've got our chow mein noodles. We'll have these bad boys open. So we've got the goods, and there's a fill line inside of the chow mein noodle box, and that's what we're gonna fill up the boiling water with. Even comes with a little sauce packet. It should probably taste pretty good. I've got a whole freaking box of them that my sister bought. They're nice and cheap. I know they're not healthy, but your boy's still not making money from YouTube yet. Once he starts making money, maybe I'll eat a little bit healthier, you know? We've got the water boiling. We're gonna go ahead and turn our stove off and pour some water. Now, I know y'all are gonna be proud of me. Look at what I found in my bin that I've had this whole time that I've had this van built. A freaking fork, dude. Look at this. I even pulled out my spoon bag because I didn't think I had forks. Sure as crap. Looked in the back. Freaking fork, dude. So excited. I don't know if y'all can hear that wind, but she's purring. She is a purring. It's a nice, cheap, easy dinner. We're pretty much done with the nudes. Lola Pup's gonna get the rest of them. She's already perking up. Would you look at this? Got a little bit of noodles. And look, she gets dinner in bed because she's a spoiled little puppy. Is it yummy? Yummy puppy. Now, as you all know, it is against the law in Wyoming to not have dessert right after dinner. So I've got some candy corn, not candy corn, but like caramel corn that my parents gave me. It's called Moose Munch. Never had it. Really good though. I mean, I've had it now since they got it for me. Pretty freaking mint. This is it right here. This stuff's delicious. So bad for you, but you only live once, right? Now, being in the middle of the wilderness, sometimes it can be a little bit scary if you're by yourself, especially if you don't have anything to protect yourself. Now, I don't carry a gun, mainly because some of the places I want to go, kind of frowned upon to carry a gun, and the laws are different in each state. So I went ahead and bought some of this Frontiersman bear spray. Shoots like 30 feet, 40 feet, and it's got a red spray, so you know if you've hit them. I'm not really worried about people out here when I'm camping in the middle of the wilderness. I'm more worried about animals. I've had a bear come up to my van before, and it kind of freaked me out. Now, as another precautionary, when you are out here camping alone, make sure you always have your keys in an accessible place. So I throw mine right on the driver's seat of my van. So if I do get into a sticky situation, I just jump in the seat and haul ass. Now, I also have an alarm on my van. So if something is getting close to my van and sketching me out, I can always go up to the driver's seat and just hit the alarm if I think it's just an animal. And it should scare them away, hopefully. It's not that late, but I am tired. So I think I'm just going to chill out with my baby girl and probably put a movie on. Just kind of chill out, relax. Before we go ahead and get this movie turned on, let me go ahead and show you this beautiful full moon we've got right now in the middle of nowhere. Oh, look at that moon. So creepy out here by myself and so freaking cold and windy. Look at how cute my baby girl is. She's adorable. All right, me and the pup are gonna hit the sheets. It's only like 7:30, but we've been driving all day and we're just tired. The pup's already conked out and just chilling. So I'll see y'all in the morning. Good night. Good morning, you filthy animals. From me, you little pup. We're up here, still on top of this mountain. Haven't left yet. Just got out to kind of walk around, see if there were any animals walking around my van last night. It's currently 23 degrees right now. Decently chilly, but diesel heater kept me pretty warm. Go ahead and show you what the outside view looks like, even though I showed it yesterday. But there's the rig. But you can see there's some beautiful mountains in the background. Our plan for today, I guess, is to get up the rest of this trail, because I didn't finish going up the trail. I kind of stopped right here where I found some flat ground. So our goal is to keep driving up this road. I'm going to put a couple more chains on my tires so we don't slip getting up there. It's only 3 miles to the highway if I keep going up that mountain, but if I keep going that way, it's like 5 miles back down to the main road, and then the main road's like another 10 miles to loop around to the highway. So I saw plenty of people last night after I got to where I was camping at, just driving up and down this road. So I figured if I end up getting stuck, I've got a chain and they could probably pull me out. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, Papa Pita. Let's go. You like the snow? You like the snow? So here we've got the rest of my chains. I'm probably just going to put 2 on each side. I thought I'd like these chains better than normal chains, but they're kind of a pain in the butt to put on. It's nice because they ratchet strap and they stay tight, but they barely fit on these tires. They're made for tires that aren't as wide. So for breakfast on this chilly, snowy 21-degree morning, we have got eggs and some sausage. So we'll go ahead and whip that up real quick before we get back on these trails. There's also nothing like cooking some breakfast and also having good enough service to play some YouTube while you're cooking. Feels like you're at home.
Any pressure on a square aluminum frame and strap it down is to take this wheel off. How's he? Elon Musk is taking notes right now for that spaceship. That's on the foot. And if balance go, you have a broken arm. And you're you don't solve the third problem until the first one's done. So,
and we have got some sausage links, some eggs with some ham, and some mozzarella cheese. Lola's already begging for some. She's already drooling. Ah, no, get. That's gross. Ew. The heck, bro. Perfect. All right, you know I feed my baby girl well. We're gonna put the rest of the goodies in there. There you go, baby. All right, I think we're gonna get rolling. I got everything packed up and got my chains on, and we're gonna get moving up this mountain a little bit more. Well, I got a little too confident and got stuck in the snow. So hopefully, homie behind me can pull me out. Well, they got me out, but in the process, shattered my back window, which sucks. Chain broke and dented my back door. Part of the adventure, right? All right, so back window completely fell out. My tire chains broke, so I'm gonna let some air pressure out in these tires in the back. I'm probably gonna go down to 40 pounds just to be safe, because I don't know, I don't have chains, don't want to get stuck again. So I didn't get any footage of me getting pulled out because I already felt like a moron getting stuck. And I didn't get any footage of me driving out because I was too afraid of stopping to get footage. I just wanted to get out. I didn't want to get stuck again. But we're out. We're heading back to Cheyenne, Wyoming to Home Depot. And I'm going to go ahead and I guess just get like a black trash bag or something, or a plastic piece, or put something back there to tape it up. And we're going to make our way to Salt Lake City. Hopefully find a junkyard there and get another window.
It's this leg lock and he just starts beating people up.
So we've secured the goods. We got some Gorilla Tape, got a nice thick 10mm thick tarp, and then it's been a stressful day already. So got a Red Bull, need some energy. Cheers, baby. Oh. All right, everything's taped up. I think we're good for now until we get to Salt Lake City. I think that's gonna do it for this episode. I appreciate y'all watching. So y'all have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching my stuff and being awesome supporters. I love every single one of y'all. Thanks. Bye.